Hello and welcome to the lesson. Today we'll learn how to use external style sheets. Here's the document we worked with during the previous lesson. As you can see, all the CSS code is missing and the text isn't formatted. I'll show you how to link our website with an external style sheet. First, I'll create a new file in the code editor. Next, I'll switch to the code from the previous lesson, copy the content of the style element into the clipboard, and paste it into the newly created file. I've just created an external style sheet. Style sheets are saved as files with the CSS extension. I'll name the file default.css and save it. The style sheet is ready, but how do we link it to our website? There are several ways to do that. I'll show you the one that's used most often, the link element. This element is always inside the header. Let's add individual attributes. The first is the rel attribute, which defines the relationship between the website and the file being linked. We are linking a style sheet, so I'll set the value to style sheet. Next is the type attribute, which defines the type of file we're linking. For style sheets, set the value of this attribute to text/CSS. The last and the most important attribute is the href attribute, which specifies the path to the file. I'll set the value to default.css and refresh the browser. As you can see, the formatting defined in the external style sheet has been applied. This is extremely useful, especially when working on larger projects in which it's impractical to keep all of the code in one file. At this point, you should be able to create CSS rules and link them to your website as a part of external style sheets. To finish off, I'd like to show you what else is possible using CSS. I'll open two almost identical files in the code editor. The only difference is that I linked this style sheet to the second file. Let's view both documents in the browser. As you can see, the first page contains only text without any formatting. Let's look at the second page. The article is in a box with specified dimensions, background, and border. The text has greater padding and line height and is aligned neatly. All this has been achieved just by using this short CSS code. Of course, the possibilities of CSS are much broader, and we'll learn about them in the following lessons. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you the next time.